Alright guys, let's watch the video now.
The Bible says in Matthew 6:34, "Therefore do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry about itself. Each day has enough trouble of its own." How often do we find ourselves consumed with anxiety about what tomorrow might bring? The weight of the unknown, the pressure of future decisions, the worry over what might go wrong. It can feel overwhelming. But God speaks directly into our fears. Do not worry. Each day is a gift, and God's grace is sufficient for today. When we focus on tomorrow, we miss out on the strength and peace He wants to give us right now. He doesn't promise that every day will be easy, but He promises that He will give us the strength for today, not tomorrow. If you're holding on to worries about the future, lay them down. Surrender your fears and trust that God, who holds your future, will walk with you through each day. His presence is your peace. His promises are your security. Remember, you don't need to have all the answers today. Trust that God is in control of tomorrow, and He has already provided for today. So take a deep breath. Focus on what you can do right now. God is with you, and He will meet you in every moment. His love is constant. His grace is sufficient.